Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Walgreens step by step clearly. Start by gathering your financial information. List your income sources and amounts. Next, calculate your monthly expenses. Include fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Now, find out how much you can allocate for shopping at Walgreens. Check your previous spending habits to set a realistic budget. Visit the Walgreens app or website to browse current deals. Look for digital coupons that apply to items on your shopping list. Create a list of essential items you need to purchase. Prioritize your list to focus on necessary items first. Consider joining Walgreens Rewards program for additional savings. Use your budget to set a spending limit for your trip. Plan your visit based on weekly sales flyers. During your shopping trip, stick strictly to your list. Keep track of prices and check for in-store promotions. If you find extra savings, adjust your other spending accordingly. At checkout, always scan your loyalty card or use the app. After your purchase, review your spending against your budget. Evaluate your spending each month to refine your budget. Consider setting aside extra savings for future needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.